So, yeah, I wasn't going to record one of these today, but this problem looks interesting, so I want to. Leetcode number 1658, minimum operations to reduce x to 0. You are given an integer array nums and an integer x. In one operation, you can either remove the leftmost or rightmost element from the array nums and subtract its value from x. Note that this modifies the array for future operations. Return the minimum number of operations to reduce x to exactly 0 if it is possible, otherwise return -1. And it looks like nums is always positive. So okay, that's fine. First off, we're going to say if x is greater than the sum of nums, sum nums equals sum of nums. That's stupid. If x is greater than s, then return -1. If x is equal to s, return length of nums. Otherwise, we're going to do it. Not exactly sure how to model it, so usually that means use recursion. So def r right left value. Do I want right left value? Is that what I want? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so now if v equals 0, oh crap. If v equals 0, return 0. Yeah, we're going to have to add to get to the value. So if I is if I is greater than j, then return well, this isn't a solution, so what do we return? I don't know what to return. Okay. So now, if nums of I is less than v, then, okay, we're going to have OP equals, if nums of I is less than v, then one of our options is going to be this one. So 1 plus r of I plus 1 comma j comma v minus nums I. So I hope that's pretty obvious what we're doing. We're using the one on the left, and we're decrementing it from the number. Okay. Now, if nums of j is less than or equal to v, then OP equals min, because it's possible the previous option was better, of OP or 1 plus R. Well, it's basically the same thing. But this is going to be moving in from this side. I have j minus 1, v minus nums I, nope, nums j. And then we're just going to return OP. And then b equals r 0 comma length nums minus 1 x. If b is less than, return b, else return -1. Now this is kind of bothering me because you don't like alternate left, right, left, right, left, right. That's not two different things. It's like you move left a certain amount. I don't like this. I think that this is inefficient. Because if you think about it intuitive, well, let's see if it works. What? I'm not signed in. Why aren't I signed in? Okay, that was weird. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it does work. Let's see how fast it is. Ooh. Oh, shit. Okay, I think that we need to go right a certain amount, and then we need to switch and start going left. Or we could go right, and then we could have the minimum number of steps to go left. Well, clearly whatever we have done is absolute, utter garbage, and we should feel bad. So, okay, the first instance of a number okay, so we're going to say first from left, and that's going to be an index. So for I in range first from right. We're going to make this easy on ourselves. So length nums, and then s equals 0, s plus equals nums I, then if s not in fr, then fr of s equals I plus 1, because we have to actually include the number. And then we need the opposite. How are we going to do this? 1 to length of nums plus 1. Okay, and then let's start over again. S equals 0. And we're going to say s equals negative I, and then if s is greater than x, then break. If s equals x, then I don't like that. We're going to say best equals, we're going to do the million again. So if s equals x, then b equals I guess, and break, because it's not going to get smaller after that. This can probably go in here. So if s equals x, then b equals I, and break. So that means that we're not going to use any from the other direction. Otherwise, we're going to have some left over. So remaining value is going to be, x minus s. Now, if r is in fr, then b, I comma b equals min of I. Wait a minute. I plus, what am I trying to say? I plus fr of remainder, comma, b. But it might overlap. And if that happens, then it's going to be bigger than the number of elements that we had available. So what we want down here is if b is strictly less than, or wait, less than or equal to, nope, just less than, length nums, because we got the equal right here, less than length nums, then return b, else return -1. Oh, why didn't I add that as a test case? Okay, that should be a lot faster there. That's going to be order n, and the other was order n squared. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. That is very legit. Okay. If x in fr, then b equals fr of x. I can't believe I didn't think of that. I feel a little silly now. Submit. That kind of sucked. Nah, that was fun. I got it done.